Presenting Crusoe the Celebrity Dachshund and his new and second book entitled The Worldly Wiener Dog. Written by Crusoe himself, who from his first book is already a New York Times best-selling pup. His new book features travels from around the world. It also covers some of his life at home, character skits like Crusoe the paleontologist, new adventures with his brother Oakley, and the full story of Crusoe's surgery and recovery. And this is no dinky coffee table book. It has hundreds of pages and is half writing, half pictures, broken into short stories, so it's great for a quick glance while on the toilet or a sit-down read with a full glass of wine. And just like his videos, Crusoe's book has plenty of undertones for adults, but it's great for kids too. The book comes out this October, but we encourage you to pre-order today. For one thing, some retailers are offering a pre-order discount, plus all those who pre-order now get a very special gift. With proof of purchase, we send you a free, 100% real, authentic, potograph sticker by Crusoe himself that you can permanently insert into your book. To top it all off, Crusoe is going on tour with the launch of his new book, where he'll be traveling across the US and Canada, and maybe even a stop in Europe, to meet fans and sign books. Details on the tour to come soon. And we know you're going to love Crusoe's new book, The Worldly Wiener Dog. Visit our website for links on where to purchase, including major retailers like Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Indigo, iTunes, and more.